In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into Clickup in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and easily bring a whole set of tasks into your Clickup workspace, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process and ensure that you can follow along smoothly. First off, it's important to make sure your CSV file is well structured. By this, we mean that your data should be organized into clear columns. Each column will represent a different attribute or detail for your tasks, such as task names, due dates, or any other custom fields you're using. A well-organized CSV file will make the import process much more efficient and help Clickup interpret your data accurately. Next, we'll go ahead and open Clickup. So log into your Clickup account and get ready to bring in your data. Once you're in, navigate to the specific space or folder where you want these tasks imported. Choosing the correct location is crucial as it determines where your tasks will be housed once they're imported. Once you've located the right space or folder, look for the 3 little dots beside it. Clicking on these dots will present you with a menu of options. From this menu, you will see an import option. Go ahead and select that to proceed with the import process. Now you will be prompted to choose a source for your import. Since we're focusing on importing a CSV file, you will need to choose CSV as your import source. This step tells Clickup exactly what type of file it should expect and prepares it to handle your CSV data correctly. After selecting CSV as the source, click on Upload File. This action will open up a window to your computer's File Explorer where you can find and select the CSV file you're planning to import. Take a moment here to double check you've chosen the right file. With your file now selected, the next step is to click the Import button. This initiates the process of bringing your data into Clickup, and within moments you'll see your tasks appearing in your chosen space or folder. It's as straightforward as that, and you should see Clickup creating tasks based on the information contained in your CSV file. Just like that, you've successfully imported a CSV into Clickup, and your tasks are now ready to be managed directly within the platform. This method offers a quick and seamless way to bring bulk data into your workflow, saving you valuable time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in making your Clickup experience even more efficient. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. See you in the next video.